Hello and welcome to the video. Today I want to discuss compressors. Compressor in the blade is changeable. It's not the end of the blade as a lot of people fear, but just to make sure that the compressor has failed, I just want to go through the process of showing you how to check your compressor if you've got a problem. The main problem will be when you turn the blade on, turn the power on, it instantly trips the electricity or turns the machine off. I've taken the cover off the compressor down here, look, as you can see down there. I can zoom in a bit. Yep. Need to disconnect this little orange wire. And get your test meter onto the ohm scale. A bit difficult when you've tried to hold the camera. And then what you need to check is from the tag there where your orange wire was on down to the earth tab, you should get nothing, no reading whatsoever. And on this, look, I'm getting what, 4.5 mega ohms, which is saying that there's a fault, there's a leak from the windings to earth. That's what's causing the power to trip out. I will go through the rest of the process with you on checking the rest of the windings. Take off the little PTC relay there, pull that off. Pull the cutout off, which is this here. Pull the cutout off. There's the cutout. And there you can see the 3 pins on the compressor terminals. Go back to your test meter, go from the top terminal, which is the common, down to the left terminal, which is the start windings, and you get 21.3 there, look. Then go from the common down to the run windings, which is 52.3, and then go from the run to the start, which is 33. The three don't add up. I will show you on a good compressor how it should look. This is wrong. 33 ohms is not good enough. There's a problem between the run and the start windings. I'll come back in a minute. I'll move across to another compressor where we can work through the process on how to check the compressor is good. Back in a minute. So this is a compressor that's out of the machine. It's a good working compressor. It's still got the cutout and the relay on it. I will take those off and show you how to test the windings on this one. Exactly the same process, but you will get a different result. Pull off the little relay, take the cutout off. Test meter is already on ohms. Where's my pen? Drawn a little diagram here. As you can see, the C is the common, the S is the start, and the R is the run windings. So then we need to take a reading between all three and write it down. So here goes. So we'll go from the common to the start, which is giving us 22 ohms. Yep, that's C. And S equals 22. Then we go from the common to the run, which is 72.3. C to the R equals 72.3. And then we go from the start to the run terminals, which gives us 94.3. If you add the 22 to the 72, which is 92, 94.3 added together, which is exact what it should be. On the other compressor, we only got 33 ohms across the start and the run windings, which showed it's a bad compressor. So these readings on this one show 94.3. This is a good compressor. And also, if we go from any pin to any pin to earth, we should get nothing. There we go, nothing, nothing, nothing. On the other compressor, we was getting mega ohms. Was it 3.3 mega ohms on the other compressor? Go back to the compressor just to compare. Move across here. Just zoom in on the terminals again. Come back over here. And we will go check the pins. So we're going from common pin, which is 9.35 mega ohms. Go from the start pin, 9.5 mega ohms, and go from the run pin, which is 9.6 mega ohms. We should get nothing on any of these pins. If you're getting any reading on the 3 pins when you go to earth, the compressor's dead and you need to change the compressor. In my next video, I will actually show how to change the compressor. But while I'm here, I will show you how to check the relay and the cutout. So this is the little relay out of the machine. It's just got one tag on it there. So if we go from the S to the tag, we get 16 ohms there, look. We go from the main to the tag, we get 0.3 ohms. So that shows us about 15.8 ohms between the two. So if we go between the two holes in the where the pins are, 16.1 shows that's what resistance we've got. So that shows this is a good cutout. Sorry, good relay. This is the thermal overload protection. And the only way to check that is push into the hole, the pin, and 1.8 ohms resistance. That's perfect. So that's how you check those two. I hope this video helps. I will come back and show you how I take the machine to pieces and switch the compressor. Thanks.